Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Yo, what's up everybody? It is the 3rd of March 2020 and it's 5 p.m. where I'm at. The Asian session just started. Had an amazing day in VIP. We probably caught over, I think 340 pips is the count so far. So it's been a while since we just started rattling them off and you know, crushing it like that. So man, yeah, I made some good profits today myself personally, and hopefully everybody in the group has too. So and some great setups out there. You know, we're just kind of scalping along against Euro strength, and also there's just some bombshell news today with the Fed cutting interest rates again. And you know, if you can go back to my weekly outlook video, and I said, hey, the Fed is probably going to cut rates in order to prop up the market. And what happened? So that happened today. They cut rates, but the S&P dropped. So yeah, there's a lot of issues going on as far as that's concerned. And so, you know, that when that made, you know, the Euro's been acting as a risk off barometer lately. And, you know, it's more of a risk off asset. So, you know, what I've been doing more or less is looking for stocks to drop, S&P to drop off, a pop in the euro, and then shorting that strength. Simple enough as on the surface for sure. Easy, simple, but hard to do, kind of. But we executed it very well in the VIP group today. So shout out to everybody. If you're not in there and you want to be a part of our amazing community of traders, click the links below to get started, learn my strategies, learn my skill set, and you can do this too, man. I'm no different than you. Right now, I'm, you know, out, not in my hometown in Nashville because it got hit by a bunch of tornadoes. Like 20 people died. It was crazy, man. It was crazy. So the town is just like leveled, and it's a lot of, it's a pretty bad scene down there. So that being said, I'm kind of relocated right now, so you know, well, that's all up in the air, but you know what, still have the markets. And that's the most amazing thing about being a trader, is that no matter where you go, one, nobody can take this knowledge away from you once you have it, and two, you can do it from wherever, right? So you still got to do it. That's the thing, you know, when you see people and they're just like in their Lambos and whatever, but the only thing is you never see them trading. You know, I'm doing, you know, to be a successful trader, you're in front of the computer, iPad, phone, the whole system, however whatever works for you. The majority of the New York session's my bread and butter time. And I talk about that in the training, when, you know, finding the right session that works for you. So hopefully you can go through my training. I'm about to look at some charts right now. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And we're running a contest, and you might win free access to my training academy. So that being said, man, yeah, let's get right into it. Let me share my screen with you, and we got a lot of stuff to go over. EURCAD, we have been wearing EURCAD out in our VIP group, and we just went short again. And so just like what I was saying is, you know, originally we were scalping along this trend line, which was a great strategy. And we have a bit of a breakout now. And this breakout came on the back of, this came from the interest rate decision, and we got a big pop in the euro here. But you know, look how divergent we are on the RSI. And this is one of, like, we've seen a bunch of these setups on euro pairs. This, I'm actually gonna pause this and send this to my group. I teach this in the training. One of my favorite setups right here is a 3 drive to the upside. And with divergent RSI, we have, you see one push, two push, and so we actually traded this little drop as well. I got a signal in there, but one push, two push, and here we are on three, and you can see we're starting to see some exhaustion candles. And you know, this is one of my favorite setups for real. And you know, it is a pretty high percentage winner. Okay, I'm gonna pause this real quick and send this out to the VIP group. Okay, so there we are in EURCAD. So the euro, and what I said at the start of this is, so I'm waiting for, we're not really waiting, you know, you get in the flow of trading and you can see how, and I teach this in the training, that the market is all tied together. It's a big flow chart. Money's going from one asset to another, to another, to another. And if you can start to like track that flow, essentially, you can really start to string together some good profits. So you know, EuroCAD looks nice, and so you can see this, we had a honestly, I should still be in this trade because I shorted this up at 30.90. So looking at it now, I'm like, God damn, but made some great profits today. So it's all good. There's always another trade, and you know, no FOMO. So that being said, what we're looking for now is we're probably going to bounce along in this little kind of consolidation zone I have here. You can see it on the 4-hour or the daily. I had it pretty mapped out here. You know, some sort of like consolidation, like a bearish consolidation. We could make a big flag right, something like that, and then moving lower. And that seems like super possible because look, you know, if history definitely repeats itself in the market, we have a sell-off, some consolidation, and then another and then the bottom. Something kind of similar here, but we just had more of a sell-off and then a consolidation, like, and then one more drop, and then a rally. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for one more potential drop to the downside, and then some more like a legitimate bottom, and then be looking for a long-term buy. Euro USD, definitely interesting chart here. We've broken out. So, and we're back at this 127% extension. So, you know, right, shorting it here would be a good play because, you know, this, we got rejected here yesterday, but, you know, I think with the Fed cutting rates, potentially a weak dollar, you know, seeing a move more like a retest here. And this is what I'm looking for. If we get some sort of confirmation, a retest down here, and this trend line holds, then we could really be seeing, then the next target's going to be this 161.8 extension, which is going to be at 112.90. And so this is where you want to really use your Fibonacci levels and Fibonacci extensions to get the right target points. So Euro USD is a huge possibility in the market right now. There's just a ton of great setups. So Euro Pound, trading Euro Pound here, really looking forward to this drop because you know, again, it's not as clean and cut as dry, but we have divergent RSI, one push, two push, three push, and it looks like we're trying to make some sort of kind of potential double top here, which is nice. You know, we can make a going to be looking for this trend line to break and then get some more downside movement. So EG looks really good right now. So we're setting up for just an epic week, and looking at this right now just gets me super excited because I have some positions on in EG, and we have some here in VIP as well, like a lot. So multiple targets here, and low battery on my computer. My Mac is almost done for. It only holds a charge for like 5 minutes now, which sucks. So that being said, EG to the downside, EUROCAD to the downside, looking for some sort of retest, and EURUSD is going to be the big kind of barometer to really tell what's going on with the euro. And that's the big thing I'm going to be watching going into tonight. We're in a great trade in Aussie yen here. We're trading this false breakout, one of my favorite setups. Teach this in the academy as well. It's not, the thing is about my training, about my group, I don't keep any secrets. It's all in my training, and I just do this over and over and over again in our VIP group. Some days are better than others, but we're in a great X marks the spot here, right? So, if we get a rally back to retest this area, just sell that rally all day long. But, we can really expect to retest these lows on AJ too. So, dude, it's only Tuesday. It's been an epic start of the week. What a great rebound from the insanity of last week. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And get started. Click the links below, and I'll see you in the chat room. Peace.